One of my favorite things in my underwater camera setup never even gets wet. It's my extra large equipment assembly mat. When I'm putting a housing together, I want to protect it from dust, dirt, and prevent it from getting scratched. The equipment mat does the trick. I roll it up, tuck it into my gear bag anytime I'm traveling. The equipment mat is made of a durable fabric-covered neoprene with a stitched edge that helps it lay flat and prevent fraying. It also protects the tabletop that I'm working on from accidental scratches. And in between trips, it lives with my editing setup, keeping my workspace clean and giving my forearms a little cushion. The assembly mat is a great addition to any creator's bag, and you can pick it up right now anywhere Icolite products are sold.